Tired of the endless cycle of sweeping, mopping, and drying? Picture this. You comfortably seated while the Samsung Jetbot Mop takes charge, smartly navigating your home, leaving gleaming floors in its wake. Let's delve into the brilliance that makes this cordless robot floor cleaner a revolutionary addition to your home. Revolutionizing your cleaning ritual. Meet the Samsung Jetbot Mop, a sleek and powerful floor cleaning companion designed to seamlessly integrate into your daily routine. No more struggling with cords or dragging around a heavy mop. Jetbot brings simplicity to your life, making mopping an integral part of your everyday clean without lifting a finger. Dual spin technology, a dance of precision. The Jetbot Mop is not just smart, it's a choreography of cleanliness. The dual spin technology powers two spinning pads that move, turn, and clean simultaneously. From hardwood to tile, it glides effortlessly, ensuring a thorough clean with every spin. Automatic water dispenser hydration for your floors. With dual solution tanks, the Jetbot Mop is your tireless mopping assistant, running for up to 50 minutes before a water refill. The automatic water dispenser ensures just enough moisture for the pads, leaving your floors spotless and minimizing drying time. Smart system sensor navigating with precision. No more collisions or mishaps. The smart sensors of Jetbot enable it to safely navigate around your home, avoiding walls, furniture, and obstacles with precision. It even stops itself from taking a tumble downstairs, ensuring risk-free operation. Superior edge coverage, cleaning beyond limits. The spinning pads of Jetbot are strategically positioned to reach and clean along hard-to-reach edges. No nook or cranny is left untouched, ensuring a comprehensive cleaning experience from floor to edge. Long-lasting battery life mop without interruption. Powered by a high-capacity battery, the Jetbot Mop takes cleaning to new dimensions. Enjoy up to 100 minutes of uninterrupted mopping, covering large floor areas without the need for additional charging. Multiple cleaning modes, your cleaning, your rules, flexibility at your fingertips. With 8 cleaning modes, you can choose a focus mode to concentrate on specific areas or let it roam freely on random mode. The handy remote control ensures you can switch modes from anywhere in your home. Hand mode for precision cleaning. Jetbot Mop is versatile beyond imagination. The hand mode allows you to manually clean hard-to-reach areas, effortlessly removing stains on kitchen and bathroom tiles or wiping off marks on a wall. 2 types of pads tailored for every surface. Choose between microfiber or mother yarn pads, both machine washable and designed to cater to different cleaning needs. The mother yarn, 100x thicker than microfiber, adds an extra layer of cleaning prowess. Conclusion: elevate your cleaning experience. The Samsung Jetbot Mop is not just a cleaning tool, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Click the link in the description below to explore the full product specifications and witness why you need this intelligent floor cleaner in your life. Embrace the future of floor cleaning and make the Jetbot Mop your trusted cleaning companion. Cleaning has never been this effortless, this intelligent, and this delightful. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.